Hey friends, if you wish to search YouTube like a pro during advanced search using advanced search operators, then please watch this video. So I'm on YouTube. Let's say I will search for India here. Okay, now this is basic search. People think this search is sufficient. Now I never use it. I simply click on filters, and then I would say that I would prefer the latest news. So I will keep the upload date as today or this week. Then I will choose whether I want a channel or a video or something. Now if I select a channel, okay, just see what happens. When I select a channel, I cannot do it for India because there's no specific channel, but let's say I select movie, it will only show movies with this name. Okay, so I'll return to video, and then you can select the duration. Usually news would have a duration of 4 to 20 minutes, the kind of news that I like to watch. And then you can select whether you wanted it as live or feature or anything, but I'll leave this part. And then again you can select it by rating or view count. Okay, now also you, if you want to check it by view count, simply click on this one and check the view count here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.